Hi, I'm Dr. Uma Vedanathan. I'm a consultant gynecologist. The tailbone, also called as a coccyx, is the bone that is located right at the tip of the spine between the buttocks just above the anus. This is the bone that can cause problems, especially if it is inflamed, which happens in pregnant patients. The tailbone or the coccyx is present in everybody. In pregnant patients, this bone becomes mobile because of relaxant effect of the hormones in pregnancy, and because of the mobility, pregnant patients tend to have a lot of pain, especially while shifting positions from sitting to standing position, or we are sitting for a very long time, especially patients who indulge in sitting jobs for a prolonged period of time, or when they are traveling in taxis for a prolonged period of time and they're in the sitting position. If there are slight jerks to the pelvis, that is a time when these patients tend to experience a lot of discomfort. Overall, pregnancy is associated with a very high circulation of hormones which tend to relax the bones in the body, especially the pelvic bones. Pelvic joints tend to undergo a lot of relaxation to facilitate the delivery of the baby to the birth canal, and this is exactly the reason why patients land up with coccygeal pain. This can happen to patients either in early pregnancy, but the most common time of presentation of this pain is towards the end of pregnancy, that is around the beginning of the third trimester. Tailbone pain does not actually impact the pregnancy in a negative way. It has absolutely no impact on the growth and development of the baby as well. It's a physiological process wherein there is going to be some amount of relaxation of the pelvic bones in pregnancy. One can never circumvent the kind of discomfort or the pain that a patient might experience, but only thing we as professionals can do is we can help the patient ease out the pain and at least help her deal with it. Primarily in a sitting position, we advise pregnant patients never to sit without proper back support and without proper armrests, to basically take the load off the spine as far as possible. Secondly, we also tell our patients never to sit on a hard surface, shifting positions when they sit on a regular basis, so that it tends to take the pressure of that bone off and on. Application of ice packs locally, application of hot fomentation locally, going to a physiotherapist regularly, getting massages done. These are some other conservative methods by which the pain can be eased off. Time period for which the pain lasts would actually, frankly speaking, differ from patient to patient. In some, immediately post-delivery, probably within 4 to 6 weeks. In some patients, it may take any time between 6 months to a year. The only thing you can do is maintain a good posture, keep doing your exercises regularly, keep taking your supplements on a regular basis, visit your doctor in case the pain tends to get very severe. So please enjoy and relish every moment of your pregnancy. Have a safe delivery and all the very best.